Somebody there?
It's nothing. It's just a wolf.
That's my friend.
Where is she?
I lost her.
Rose. The doctor is dead. You know her?
I'm sorry, did you know him?
No, Ash.
Rose Tyler.
What happened?
Rose.
Rose Tyler. Oh my God.
Rose.
He found you.
Doctor, she is returning.
Who is? Who's she?
Who was she?
I don't know.
What did she look like?
That friend of yours. What was her name?
What was her name? Her name's Rose.
She said 2 words.
What 2 words? What were they? What did she say?
Bad wolf. But I've never heard that before.
Bad wolf.
Sorry, did you just say bad wolf?
Everywhere we go, 2 words following us.
Are you afraid of the big bad wolf, Doctor?
You crossed entire universes to find him again.
Leave her alone.
I have seen things you wouldn't believe.
I can see everything.
I have lost things you will never understand.
That's what I see.
All that is. All that was. All that ever could be.
Doesn't it drive you mad?
I heard you.
You heard me.
You clever boys.
Rose and man.
The words bad wolf spread across time and space everywhere, drawing me in.
It's translated as bad wolf. Hey.
This love alive, tell me now or set me free.
Just let go.
How can I let go of this?
If a Time Lord did that, he'd become a god, a vengeful god.
But she was human. Everything she did was so human.
Rose is coming back. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Doctor, it's me.
I am the bad wolf.
Came back.
I want you safe. It's me, Doctor. My doctor.
And one more kiss could take my life.